I think the word deportation is not the correct expression that needs to be used over here, because deportation is not the thing that's being actually done. You see, Pakistan has hosted millions of Afghan refugees over a period of more than 40 years. And we consider Afghanistan as our brotherly, neighborly Islamic country. Refugees that came from Afghanistan, because we need to understand the context of what's going on right now. So Pakistan hosted them willingly over decades. There was a foreign intervention in Afghanistan, Soviet Union, and then there was a long period of conflict of this internal civil war. So since Doha Agreement, there is no foreign forces over there, and there is an interim Afghan government. There is no civil war also going on. If you talk with the interim Afghan government, they claim that there is a lot of peace over there, and they claim that everything is hunky-dory. They claim their economy is very good and everything is great. So then this reason of these Afghans staying in Pakistan doesn't exist anymore. There is a lot of empirical evidence that a lot of these Afghans who are here, they are involved in terrorism, they are involved in criminal activities, they are involved in drug trafficking, in narco, in multiple things. Any state, whether it's Pakistan, it's Germany, it has its first right is towards the peace, stability and security of its own citizens. Nothing like forced deportation, as the people would like to say it. So the process has been going on for months and years now. So it was, I think, last year, I think perhaps in October, that the state decided enough time was given that the people will be sent back. We are going in a very systematic manner, and we have a very logical way of doing that. And Pakistan has been giving extensions and extensions and extensions for multiple times.